Hi there folks, welcome back. Today we're going to work on putting a new doorknob in this oak door that I just put up. Like I was saying before, I always get the questions of how I'm able to buy the trains that I am, and that's because of the fact that I am a handyman and pretty much do everything. Car repair, home improvements, whatnot. So today we're going to be cutting a hole in this door, install a brand new knob, and I'm going to be using a jig kit in order to do that. You don't have to have one of these, but it definitely makes it a lot easier in order to do something like this. When using the jig kit, it'll make sure that the hole is straight and true. We'll be using a hole saw in order to cut the hole for the knob, and then we'll be using a smaller one in order to cut for the striker plate, because this is a solid door. There's no hole in it right now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark the center line for where the striker plate goes. So, pretty much center with the striker plate that's there. I am putting this in a pre-existing door jamb. So wife wanted some new improvements to the house, so we're going to do this and make her happy. So after we do that, then we're going to take our jig. We'll scribe this line across straight. That way we can center the jig. Okay, after I get that centered up onto there, I'm going to pre-drill a couple of holes. This is going to hold the jig on the door. Change our bit. Screw in it. Just want to drill until the bit pops out of the door, and go from the other side and drill it out. And since we got that hole started on this side, put the pilot in there and finish drilling it. Change your bit. I find it better to use a corded drill instead of the cordless drill. Get a little bit more power. Now we're going to drill out this one. screw in it. Next we'll put the striker plate in, or the striker in, and we'll mark it. So we'll go around it so we know where to chisel the wood out. Keep chiseling until you get it where it sits flush. That's pretty good. And you want to take your screws and put your screws in. Get our knob. Put our knob in. Make sure we get it to the round part of the latch here. We'll put our screws in. that's all it takes in order to install a doorknob and save some money for some trains. If you like the video, please click the like button. And if you haven't, please subscribe. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you for all your kind words of encouragement. And as always, thanks for watching.